Hi everyone. It's been 30 years since the first Harley-Davidson Fat Boy left the factory in 1990. In order to celebrate, Harley-Davidson has launched an all-black limited edition of the iconic cruiser. The 2020 model gets a blacked-out theme, converting the satin chrome outlook to a sinful-looking, vivid black theme. And running this evil hooligan is the thumping Milwaukee-Eight 114V twin engine. Low, wide and intimidating. Ever have these been the hallmarks of the Fat Boy line since its launch in 1990? And it's still true of today's subjects. Up front, the comfortable swept bars, mirrors, and the controls are perched in vivid black. And so is the headlamp nacelle, and the beefy 49mm show a dual-bending valve front forks. Strong accents are set by the bronze-colored lettering on the tank and ignition cap, as well as the equally colored rocker boxes. The tank cover is decorated with a numbered plaque, which underlines the limited edition of 2500. This once again underlines the exclusivity of the special model. The bike gets a high-mounted handlebar like on the old-school cruisers of the yesteryears, and the 18-inch solid disc Lakester rims are just simply so cool. These also get the satin black finish with machined edges. The beefy front end sees a clean design with squared-off LED DRL cluster and the classic beacon skirts covering the swept area of the inner forked tubes. That is some staunchy appeal the Fat Boy has always carried. All the instrumentation is in the tank mount console, sloping down like the old hardtail boys of yore. The wide pillion pad tapers over the bobbed rear fender, making a pillion rider beg for cushy support for longer rides. Below that is an LED bar tucked in neatly with the standoff turn signals mounted on the side mount number plate holder. Giving more oomph to the demeaning 2020 Fat Boy is Harley's biggest mill fitted onto its cruiser, the Milwaukee-Eight 114, which came as an optional package for the previous FY model. With 10 pound-feet of torque more, Harley claims it will still maintain 47 mpg like the Mil-8 107 motor. This 30th anniversary edition will come fitted with Harley's 45-degree V-twin 119 feet pound Mil-8 114 motor finished with a blacked-out look and glossed black engine covers. The lower rocker covers and timer cover script gets the subtle bronze tone, while the dual exhaust pipes are finished up in onyx black, a durable physical vapor deposition paint finish that reveals the underlying chrome in bright light, unfortunately, at 699 pounds wet. A single disc setup at the front may be too less of a power to bring this hauler to a halt quickly. But then, no denying what the no-disc look does to the 18 inches solid rims. It's pure unadulterated drool sauce. Thanks for watching.